wheel assist, Powershift. About a year ago, solenoid went bad, but before that he replaced that solenoid. And what it does is, it operates the even gears. So like 1, 3, 5's okay. So like 2, 4, and 6, it won't pick up in them. And he said it was that solenoid. It wasn't a real easy fix, I guess. He's like, I'm not fixing it anymore. We traded him a newer tractor. We did not look at it. We're going on what the customer said. The tractor starts good. It reacts good. I would guess that if you're familiar with what he's talking about, you could probably fix that solenoid and have all the gears. We're selling it to you like it is, all right? It's all 3-point BTO work. It works in the odd gears, so like 1, 3, and 5. The AC would need charged. Pretty clean tractor though. Got all the weights right on it. Front wheel assist, good rubber. 16.9, 26 is on the front. Got 20.838s on the back. Original top link. Got dual remotes. It does have that's 1,000 BTO, okay? Somebody's put a 540 extension over 1,000. So it is 1,000 BTO. I hope the back window can hear it working, but all that's original. These back tires are probably 60% or better. Front tires are probably 50 or better. Does have a diesel motor in her. Like I say, it starts, runs good, sounds good. There is a little bit of a hydraulic leak I saw when we parked it. So by it to have a few leaks, we have not added any fluid to it. So the way you see it here, besides knocking the dirt off, is the way it came in. Like I say, she's in her work clothes as far as having everything on her. She's got the weight, she's got the good rubber. She just needs a little repair. There's a leak somewhere in the middle, I don't know, with hydraulic. It starts good, looks like it's running clean. You can't see the leak here, but there is a hydraulic leak coming from under the cab somewhere.